Hey there! So, let's talk about the problem we encountered with the SQL query. The user was puzzled because a simple query returned a total sum of 12,482, but when using a pivot in the query, the total sum changed to 9,003. Quite a head-scratcher, right? Now, diving into the solution provided for this issue. By creating a table called test_payment with payment_date and payment_some columns, and populating it with data, we were able to isolate the problem. The key here is to use the pivot function in SQL to group the data by year and sum the payment amounts accordingly. Expanding on the solution, the select query with the pivot function pivots the year values into columns, while grouping by _total to calculate the totals for each year. This allows for a clearer breakdown of payments per year, showcasing the sums for 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024. Taking it further, the second select query with the case statements breaks down the payment sums for each specific year, providing a comprehensive view of the payments made in each distinct year. This level of detail ensures that the total sum in individual year sums are accurately represented in the final output. In summary, by utilizing the pivot function and strategically grouping the data based on years, we were able to address the discrepancy in the total sum calculation. Understanding how to manipulate data using SQL functions like pivot can lead to more insightful analyses and accurate results. And with that, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Who knew SQL queries could pivot our expectations like that?